Have you ever gone onto a website and in the sidebar or top banner, there was an ad that seemed to be meant just for you? Odds are, it was a Google display ad. Hi, I'm Alison Micheletti, Senior Dental Marketing Strategist at Golden Proportions Marketing, the most experienced dental marketing company in the country. Today, I want to talk to you about using Google display ads to promote your dental practice. Google display ads appear on a network of over 2 million websites, and they can promote pretty much anything you can think of, including dentistry. These highly targeted ads are different from Google search ads, which appear on your results page when you search for something in particular. If you decide to use Google display ads for your dental practice, let me give you some tips that will maximize your clicks. Are you ready? Let's get started. Getting the best ROI for your ad will depend on how well you target your ideal patients. You can zero in on your exact audience by demographics, behavior, or even the sites they visit. And the more precise you can be, the better your conversions will be. Your ad should include your logo, and you're going to want to state your value proposition, which tells prospective patients why you're different. Then you're going to want to think about an offer, something that's going to make you stand out. And then, finally, you need a good, strong call to action. You can ask them to give you a call, schedule an appointment, watch a video, download a white paper. You get the idea. Speaking of video, ads that have great visual content are going to attract a lot more attention. So whether you're using video or pictures, think bright colors, even a gorgeous smile, something that's going to draw the user's attention to the subject matter at hand. If you do use video, make sure it's compressed and very short. When it comes to content, remember to keep it simple. You're limited in terms of how many characters you can use. So as long as you have a really short, snappy headline, a great offer, and a call to action, you should be just fine. Your fonts should be instantly readable, nothing fancy, and they should take up no more than 4 lines of text. Using the same logo and brand colors in your display ad is going to help the user to kind of internally connect that display ad they saw to the office sign they see when they're driving home. Also, make sure to use the same image in your display ad that you use on your landing page for instant credibility and trust. Cost per click on a Google display ad for dentists can be pennies, which means an awful lot of traffic to your website or your landing pages. But make sure to work with a Google partner agency like us to make sure you can maximize your end gains. Thanks for watching.